Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever thought about starting a fresh Clash of Clans journey? Maybe you want to try new base designs, experiment with different attack strategies, or simply relive those exciting early game moments. Creating a new account is surprisingly straightforward, and it opens up a whole new world of strategic fun. This guide is fully updated for 2025, ensuring you have the most current information to get started. We'll cover everything step by step, making it easy for you. Before diving in, let's prepare your device for a truly fresh start. The simplest method is clearing Clash of Clans data through your device settings. Just be careful not to accidentally delete your main account. A safer approach, if your device supports it, is creating a brand new user profile. This provides a completely clean slate, ensuring no old game progress interferes. It's a crucial first step for setting up your new adventure smoothly and without hassle. Once you launch Clash of Clans and complete the initial tutorial, the very next step is linking your new village to a Supercell ID. This is absolutely essential for managing multiple accounts and ensuring your progress is saved. Simply tap the settings gear icon, then select Connect next to Supercell ID. You'll then create a brand new Supercell ID using a different email address than your main account. This secures your fresh village, making switching between accounts incredibly easy. With your Supercell ID securely linked, it's time to truly begin your new village. You'll play through the initial tutorial, which guides you through the basics of building your first structures, training troops, and even your initial battles. Take your time to enjoy this phase. It's a unique opportunity to re-experience the game with fresh eyes, perhaps even trying out different early strategies. This is where your new adventure really kicks off, so have fun exploring. Now that you have multiple villages linked to different Supercell ID, switching between them is incredibly easy. Simply open Clash of Clans, tap the settings gear icon, and then select Connected next to Supercell ID. From there, you can choose Log Out and then pick which account you want to load next. This makes managing your different villages a breeze, allowing you to seamlessly jump between them for varied strategic experiences. It's really that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.